What's up, HP Drives here, back with another video, and today we will be exploring Blizzard Mountain. Yeah, Blizzard Mountain is pretty cool. I've been playing it for a while. Like when it first came out, this is what the festival looks like. And this is one of the cars that came with it, so it's a very nice map if you're just gonna go mess around and drift in the snow. But yeah, this is a map. All this. What's this? I know you. Pretty sure this is where you start, like the mountain that you start off on. But I'll just show you that in this truck. It's the Nissan Titan. The Nissan Titan comes with this. It's not that fast, but it will do. Put it back up here. Yep, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. A roller coaster in the snow. Wow. This truck does handle very well. Oh, look at this jump downhill. It's extreme. Whoa. Sliding and everything. Big turn, and you just jump off here. Of course, if you had a fast car, you probably want to hit that. But yeah. That was that. Oh, this truck handles very extreme. Drifting and guess jump off here. That's sad. Let's get out. I guess let's see something. See if we can look at the cars they have on this map. Because there's actually quite a few cars that come with this. I'm gonna see if I can find them. This loads. Okay, here we go. DLC car. Oh, it's not in here. Okay. Well, there is another thing to do that we can. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Over. Oh, here just. Let's go over here, and it's like a track. It's actually made for skiing. But, of course, there's no skiing in this game. It's like, just use cars. Behind me, isn't it? Yep. This is the, it's medium size, not really that big because it's not made for cars to go on, it's made for skiing. But, oh, jump. Earlier, I was messing around on this with this truck and I got stuck. I'll probably put a picture of that in the end if I can. I don't really think I can, but I'll try. But yeah, we'll see if I can. Ooh, I got another idea for next video. Comment down below some ideas. And comment if you like this one. Hot Wheels. Exploring the Hot Wheels special. and I crashed and it's starting to, it's a blizzard starting. That's okay. But yeah, that really wraps it up for today. Thank you guys for watching HP Drives. HP Drives, out.